Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. We are not registered financial advisors. Breaking news, everyone, coming out of Hamilton ETFs. They just announced their June dividends, and there's notable increases again. I'm not really surprised. The most notable to me, the ones I always look at, the ones I feel are the top all-in-one funds is HDIV and HYLD. So HDIV announced 19.2 cents and HYLD 16.2 cents. So HYLD is increasing again, guys. It's going from 16 cents to 16.2, small increase. And same thing for HYLD, another 0.2 cents. So this is good news if you hold these as core foundational positions, which I think HDIV and HYLD definitely are some of the best core foundational positions you could hold in your portfolio. Of course, these are funds of funds. So if you look at what's inside HDIV, what's inside HYLD, you'll notice that a lot of the ETFs inside of them have increased their dividend, which is why HDIV and HYLD were able to increase their dividend as well. So really awesome. Of course, there's a lot of frenzy in the market right now, which seems, especially in the tech and AI space, which seems to be starting to die down a little bit. We'll see what happens. But either way, always good news for HYLD and HDIV when they increase their distribution. Even the DayMax ETFs, which they launched a new one, a B-Day, Bitcoin related. But you see that QDAY, SDAY, and CDAY have all had slight increases. So keep in mind that these ones could vary. They could go up and down. I don't really see them exactly as increases or decreases. I see them more as variances. But either way, QDAY especially has been on a tear, guys. Technology stocks, AI stocks have been on a tear. So this one is going, this one has been increasing quite aggressively here, which is fantastic news. Of course, more income is always great. But you see it's going from 22.5 cents semi-monthly to 23 cents semi-monthly. So quite a nice increase there. SDAY at 18.5. So SDAY was at 18.5 cents. So it's going from 18.2 to 18.5, which is, I believe, the highest it's ever been. Nice, pretty slow and steady for SDAY, but it's normal. SDAY is really the big, boring blue chip dividend stocks. Very boring stuff here. CDAY is the equivalent, but on the Canadian side, really the boring blue chip dividend stocks here. So even CDAY, nice little increase, 19.8 cents semi-monthly to 20.5. Again, they could increase, they could also decrease, right? They will adjust. I trust Hamilton never to overpay. So just wanted to share that little quick update here in case you missed it. So another more great news if you own HYLD, HDIV, and some of those DayMax ETFs. And don't forget that the DayMax ETFs, right, are in HDIV and HYLD. So HYLD does have a small position in SDAY and QDAY. So of course, if those go up, that helps HYLD increase the distribution. But when it comes to HYLD, it's really SMAX and QMAX that drive everything. You see that those are the two massive positions, especially SMAX. So if we look at SMAX, because the overall American stock market has been doing really well lately, SMAX was able to increase the distribution, I believe, right? So the latest distribution was 19.7 cents, and the latest announcement here is 20 cents. So that one went up. And let's check QMAX as well, the second biggest position in HYLD. It was declared at 22.8 cents. What was it previous to that? Let's just check real quick. 22 cents. So yeah, a nice jump there. So it's only normal that HYLD got to increase the distribution. For HDIV, it's much more Canadian financials, gold, and energy focused. There is QMAX as well. CDAY is here, QDAY is here. So obviously those distribution increases helped QDAY as well. AMAX, I believe, reduced a little bit because gold is showing signs of weakening here. Right, gold can't just go up forever. So let me just check AMAX real quick here. Let's see. Yeah, so AMAX, sorry about that. The Hamilton site was glitching out. Maybe they're updating it now. But last distribute, you see even AMAX, because gold was on a tear, it's been going up and up and up, obviously helping to increase HDIV's distribution because AMAX is pretty significant portion of HDIV. Latest one is 30 cents, but AMAX did reduce a little bit here to, where are you, AMAX? My blind. AMAX, 29 cents. So it reduced a little bit. But another big portion of HDIV is HMAX, is the Canadian financials, and HFIN as well. So we'll take a look at HMAX. I believe it increased their distribution. So the latest distribution for HMAX was 16.8, which is a small increase from the 16.7 as well. And there's also EMAX as well. So let's check that one out real quick. EMAX is also a fairly sizable position in HDIV. So the latest distribution for EMAX is 14.1. I expect this one reduced because oil is falling off a cliff, and EMAX is really the oil and gas producers. Yeah, so 14.2 to 14.1. So not really a big decrease, but I expect EMAX to start decreasing over time now, especially with the pressure that lower oil prices is having, right? So there you have it, everyone. Let me know in the comment section below how much of an increase in income this is for you. For me, because I own HDIV, HYLD, and quite a bit of, not much HDIV, I'm going to be adding to that one more in the coming months, but I do have a lot of HYLD and QDAY. So for me, it was a couple $100, I believe 100, maybe 200, $250 more, which definitely helped out with the MSTE reduction, right? Bitcoin is going through a very, very hard time right now, and especially strategy because it's tied to Bitcoin. But this just shows the importance of diversification, guys, and having strong foundational core positions that are a lot less volatile, that are a lot more wide and diversified, that have a little bit of everything. And I feel like HDIV, HYLD, really fantastic core foundational positions for your portfolio that you could buy and hold forever. So hit the thumbs up on this video, guys. I would really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure to check out our website, passiveinkomeinvesting.ca, where you could book a session with me. You could check out our digital products, etc., etc., etc. And take care, everyone. Stay safe, stay passive, stay honorable. See you next time.